bake sale time and we're making snickerdoodles. The first thing we need is a mixer, just like this. We need 2 1/4 cups of sugar. Ooh, lots of sugar. I'll dump it in. I need more. Lots and lots of sugar. Oh, not that much.
You are being really weird.
Oh. Ah. Ah. Ooh, there you go. Now it's time to mix it up. We get the mixing stick. There it is. Turn it on. Mix it up till it's fluffy, like this. It's time to put the eggs in. You know what eggs are? And finally, the third egg. Time for the dry mix. Oh, look at that. I need baking soda. I need baking soda. Oh, there it is. 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda. Next, we need cream of tartar. I wonder what that is. Next, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. There you go. Time to put it in the mixer. Oh. I think it's time to wash up. Let's make some cookies. It's bake sale time and we're making snickerdoodles. I hate snickerdoodles.
You moved.
There's no sugar in here. Now it's time to mix it up.
You gotta stay in frame.
I need baking soda.
Did you just say baking soda?
Do it again. I was talking.
I need baking
Wait until I stop
soda.
Do it again.
I need
Wait. When I say do it again, pause for like 2 seconds and then say it. Okay, go.
I need baking soda. Are you gonna take a shower again?
What do you think?
Okay, I need you to say that again and be very still at the end.
I think it's
Keep your
time
hands
to,
still.
I think
Keep
it's
your hands still.
I think it's
Keep your hands still.
I am. I think it's time to